Hi everyone, I'm going to give directions for how to organize the Star Bingo. And thank you to Becca King and Alonzo for helping me get this activity happening. So the main idea is we're going to use a website called Bingo Baker and we're going to play some bingo. So first of all, we need to get some facts about the students. So the teacher's going to make a copy of the Star Bingo Google form. And then so this is what the kids are going to see. Your kids are going to put their name in. So I can put my name, and then I have to say an interesting fact about myself. And if I get stuck, I can say like I like to, or I have been to. So I'm going to say I like to play the ukulele. Is that how you spell it? I don't know. Okay, then I submit it, and then my teacher knows it's going to go to the teacher, and then the teacher is going to have the master list of all the facts about students. The reason we want to do that beforehand is so that students have an idea of what they can say when it's their turn for the bingo. Okay, so that happens, and then while the kids are doing that, or perhaps beforehand, you could go to the Bingo Baker website, and I'd encourage you to choose the 4x4 option. My star is 19 kids, so obviously there's going to be some leftover kids plus my name, and I can put those people in the extra words. So you're going to put the names of the kids here. So maybe if I did Alonzo, and then I'm going to do Carmen, and Nora, and then Pamela. Okay, so it's just putting the names in, and then I can put the extra down here, Kelly, and then I need to click down here, I click generate. Okay, so the teacher has now made a Google form, and not a Google form, bingo, and then you need to click this Bingo Baker URL and send that URL out to the students in like the Zoom chat. So when the students get this, they're gonna click generate card, and then they have their own bingo card. And look how cool. So how I was thinking you could play is that you can ask for a person in Zoom, like who'd like to share their fact. And so like Carmen would say like, I want to share my fact. And then Carmen would say, her fact. She'd say like, I have a really adorable dog. And then if you have Carmen on your list, you can click it. Okay, so this is a nice way to get to know the names because you're repeating the names. Also, you get to know a fact about Carmen. Now, if you don't have a lot of volunteers, you could go to another thing. Speaking of dogs, let's talk about Alonzo. So you could say, this person got a new puppy this summer. And then Alonzo could say like, I got a new puppy. And then Pamela, this is not true, but Pamela could say, I got a new puppy too. And then, so now we've learned that both of them have puppies. And then I would say, well, which of you put that as your fact? And Alonzo would say, I wrote that. And so then we would click Alonzo. So that's why it's nice to have the teacher has the list of the facts in case people are not volunteering to play. So this will be a fun way to get to know the students in your star and be able to do it virtually. Have fun.